Start the new year in your new home. There's so much to love about this restored classic home, just blocks from everywhere you want to be, including the recently opened Electric Works project that you can see from your backyard. Meticulously renovated with 4 large bedrooms, 2 full baths, and over 2,000 square feet, there's more than enough room for the whole family. Classic, stately brick and large open front porch greet you as you approach the front door. On the main level, you'll find the living room, dining room, a full bath, and the first bedroom. Upstairs, you'll find 3 more bedrooms and another full bath. This home is full of classic charm throughout, but includes modernized updates. Renovations include all new windows, partial new roof shingles, new kitchen with granite countertops, new bathrooms, and so much more that you'll have to check it out for yourself. Located right across the street from a quiet park with playground equipment for children, friends and family will never be bored. Come and see all that this home has to offer today before it's too late. Call Ben Craver for more information.